In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create Telegram channel on your Android phone. Now, before you create Telegram channel, first of all, you must have Telegram accounts on your phone. Come and tap on Telegram app to open. When the app opens, it brings you to chat. Yes, Android phone. So on some Android phones, you can have a bit different interface from this. But if you have this kind of interface, so from here, you can see right here, profile. At the bottom right, tap on it. Then it brings you into this page, and from here you can see here edit info. Tap on it, and from here you can see here add personal channel. Just tap on it. You can see here start a channel. Tap on it. From here you can see channel name. For instance, I can use Collins Tech. Just any name. So you can come here and put a description. I can just put this, for instance. It's optional. You can see here, this channel is for tech review videos. You can put yours, make it lengthy or customize it. After that, you can come here and tap on this good icon. In Nigeria, we call it Changood. Tap on it. Now on this page, you can see here channel type. We have the public and private channel type. I'll prefer leave it on public so that people can search and see you. So it means that once it is on public, you can come right here on this public link here and add something to create a link so that people can always see you. Also, you can see if you set a public link, other people will be able to find and join your channel. For instance, if I tap on this private link, you can see people can join your channel by following this link. So on this private link, Telegram will automatically create a link for you where you can tap on this share to your friends either on Facebook or WhatsApp. Also, you can copy and send to people. But it's preferable leave it on this public link right here. You can come here right here and complete to create this link. For instance, I can tap right here and just put this CNT Tech. Okay, you can see, sorry, this link is already taken. Or I can change it because sometimes many people always use link. I can put CN Tech, then 1. You can see CN Tech 1 is available. So means Telegram has analyzed and said that this name is available. From here, I can come and tap on this good icon to proceed. And right here, you can see add subscribers. You can choose to select and add as many people as you can from your friend list. It's actually optional. You can choose to go back. For instance, let me say I want to add, let me see this number here. I can just tap it, select as many as possible. But right now I don't want to, so I can unselect them all. You can see, but right now I've created my channel. Understand? I can go back. If I come to my chat, you can see right here Collins Tech. I've created my channel. I can tap on my channel. You can see on my channel, I can come here and start posting things, and my subscribers will always view them. I can tap right here. I can do several settings. I can tap on this channel settings. I can come here and complete several setup. I can come here and tap or set a profile photo. Go to my gallery and set or choose a photo to be shown right here. You can see. So I can do different setup. Also, I can see add subscribers from here. I can go back. You can see here subscribers. I can tap on it. You can see here add subscribers. You can either add subscribers or invite via link. You can tap on this invite via link. So you can see here, here's the link I just created, CN Tech 1. I can tap on this share to share to my friends, or I can copy it and go to maybe some platforms and post the link. So people can always tap on that link to come to my channel, watch my posts, my videos, or choose to subscribe if they want to. So that is it. It's very simple. And that's how you can actually create a Telegram channel. Thanks for watching and bye.